Hey everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, the place where we break down the latest tools and tech to help you succeed in the business world. Today we've got something exciting on the docket, a deep dive into lead forensics. If you're a marketer, salesperson, or business owner looking to turn website visitors into valuable leads, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of lead forensics, uncovering how it works, some of its features, and whether it's worth your investment. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tech insights. Now, without further ado, let's get started and uncover the secrets of lead forensics. So what is actually lead forensics? Lead forensics is a B2B lead generation and website visitor identification software, and it helps businesses identify and engage with their website visitors in real time. It does this by using a combination of IP tracking, social media integration, and email and domain matching to reveal the identities of anonymous website visitors. Some of the features include real-time identification, so you can identify your visitors as soon as they land on your site, even if they haven't actually provided any contact information. You can rank your leads based on their level of interest in your products or services, so you can prioritize your outreach efforts. Add additional information to your leads, like their job title, company size, and industry, so you can really personalize your communications. You can also automate your lead generation and nurturing processes, so you can save time and focus on closing deals. And lastly, they also have a really good reporting and analytics feature. So it means you can track your lead generation and conversion rates, so you can see exactly how lead forensics is helping you grow your business as well. Lead forensics is used by businesses of all sizes, from startups to enterprise organizations. It's a popular choice for businesses that want to improve their lead generation and their conversion rates as well. So how can businesses use analytics to boost their sale? Businesses can use the analytics provided by lead forensics to boost their sales in a number of different ways. First off, by identifying high-value leads. So lead forensics can help businesses identify their high-value leads by tracking their website activity and social media engagement as well. This kind of information can be used to prioritize your outreach efforts and focus on the leads that are most likely to convert. It also helps with personalizing marketing messages as well, because lead forensics can help with businesses personalizing their marketing messages by adding additional information about leads, such as their job title, company size, and industry. This can help businesses create more relevant and engaging content that is more likely to resonate with leads as well. Lead forensics can help businesses automate their lead nurturing processes, and this can free up sales reps to focus on closing deals and allow businesses to consistently engage with leads throughout the sales cycle. And lead forensics can help businesses track their leads conversion rates. This information can be used to identify whether businesses can improve their lead generation and their nurturing efforts as well. Overall, it's a really valuable tool for businesses that want to boost their sales. It's really important that you have an in-house sales team that can actually take advantage of the leads. And again, this is only for B2B businesses as well. So lead forensics uses a variety of methods to identify and track website visitors, and this includes IP address tracking. So lead forensics will use a small piece of code called a tracking pixel to track the IP address of website visitors. This information can be used to identify the company that the visitor works for, as well as their location. Lead forensics also integrates with social media platforms such as LinkedIn and Twitter to track the social media profiles of website visitors. This information can be used to identify the names and contact information of website visitors as well. And lead forensics matches the email addresses of website visitors to their company domain names. This information can be used to identify the company that the visitor works for. And lastly, lead forensics enriches the data it collects about website visitors with additional information like their job title, company size, and industry. This information can be used to personalize marketing messages and make better sales decisions as well. Lead forensics also uses machine learning to improve the accuracy of its identification and tracking methods as well. This means the more the website visitors that lead forensics tracks, the more accurate its data becomes. Overall, it's really, really powerful, and it can help businesses identify and track website visitors in real time. This information can be used to identify high-value leads, personalize marketing messages, and automate lead nurturing processes as well. This can lead to a significant increase in lead conversion and sales. Some limitations of lead forensics that some people have mentioned is that it can be intrusive. So some businesses may find the use of lead forensics to be intrusive because it does collect data about the website visitors as well. And Lead Forensics is a paid service, and the cost can be a bit prohibitive for some people. It is known to be a little bit expensive as well. But despite these limitations, Lead Forensics can be a valuable tool for businesses that want to improve their lead generation and conversion rates. And if you are considering using Lead Forensics, it's important to weigh the benefits and limitations carefully before making a decision. So to get started with Lead Forensics, you can start with a free trial, and they will kind of set you up with an account as well. You'll need to fill in information like your name, your business email, company name, and things like that. Or you can just request a call back, and Lead Forensics, someone from Lead Forensics sales team will then call you back and help you essentially set up with an account and make you a bit more personalized of an onboarding experience. But sign up is pretty simple, and then you can always arrange a call back for a call with a sales rep, or you can talk to their online sales team as well via live chat. If you're looking for a way to improve your lead generation and conversion rates, Lead Forensics was one of the most viable tools that you can consider, and definitely worth checking out, at least even looking into as well. And that's a wrap on our Lead Forensics insight. We hope you find this video informative and helpful in your quest for the perfect lead generation tool. If you have any experience with Lead Forensics or have any questions about it, please share your thoughts and queries in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tech tips. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next one.